Canva has thousands and thousands of templates that we can use in our own business. But did you know that you can actually follow the creators of these templates here in Canva? Well, this is something which I recently learned about and which I'm going to show you how to do. Now again, we have lots of different templates that we can use, but for this example, let's type in planner and click enter. Now what we're going to do is just find a template that we like. Then we're actually going to follow the creator of that template as well. So if we scroll down to here, let's pick this one. What we want to do is just click on the template that we like. Now if we look just here, it says by Sandy Sevilla. So that's the creator of this template. Now what we can actually do is click on this name. Now what I'm going to do is actually open it up in a new tab instead. But if we go through to this creator, we can now see that there's this follow button. Now all we have to do to follow this creator is obviously click that button, and now we're following them. Now if we look next to this on the left hand side, we can see under your content it says creators you follow. So now if we click on here, you're then going to see all of the creators that you follow. Now in my case, I don't actually follow any creators as of yet, but it is something that I will be doing as the weeks go by. Now you can also get to this page in your own Canva account by going to canva.com/following. Now you're also going to get recommendations from Canva as well with creators you'll love. So right up here is going to be tailored to you and how you use Canva. But if we want to follow any of these, we can simply click the follow button. So this is great because now any of the people that I follow release any new templates, then it's going to show up just here. And again, if we actually go through to their own Canva profile, we can see all of the templates that they have. So that's how you can easily follow Canva creators here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.